Day 4. Extended shave wars and a continued assault on my face. Let's start with the Mach 3. Oh, very smooth. Still as smooth as new, guys. Now, Gillette just released a heated razor. So for $200 or so, you can get a razor that's heated. I just ran this Mach 3 under hot water and I feel nice heat. And I'm saving, about $190. The blade still feels good. Loop strip still intact. Feeling no pain, no nicks, no tugs, no pulls. Albeit, I'm shaving every day. But you know, back in the day, that's what we were intended to do. Shave every day. Little cross grain action. Beautiful. First pass done. Or should I say first side done. Day 4. Here's the Mach 3 Turbo. Oh yeah. Still, my choice. Just feels, again, more contact. More robust. And still new. One of the viewers mentioned that it seemed like the Mach 3 Turbo shave is quicker too. It's probably because of those anti-friction coated blades that nip right through those whiskers. No nicks, no tugs, no pulls, no weepers, nothing, guys. Maybe a little weeper on the Mach 3 side, guys, but nothing on the Turbo side. So maybe we've seen the first kink in the armor. Day 4 in the books, guys. I'm still leaning with the Turbo, but both provide a great shave for everyday use. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is fun.